Coach?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I am so good. It's the end of the 21-22 school year. Can you
It
believe
is.
it?
I can't believe
Oh,
we.
I'm so excited
we're
about
about
August.
done.
We've already got some great ideas for next August, though, don't we? It's just going to be a wonderful year even next year. All right, so what we're here for this morning is we're going to recognize our outstanding youth at at Hubbard Elementary. And what this award does is it encompasses all of our life principles. And the award actually says this is for outstanding leadership, personality, and courtesy at school and service, and responsible citizenship in the community. So these are going to be the top students in each class. Let's get started. All right, Coach, are you ready to get started with this awards assembly?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get started. Who do we have first?
JC Atkins and Miss Turner's class.
Congratulations, JC Atkins.
Noelle Angeles Trejo and Ms. Gates class, 3rd grade.
Congratulations, Noelle Angeles Trejo.
Sophia Barrero and Miss Hyatt's class.
Congratulations, Sophia Barrero.
Ruby Isabella from Miss Wilson's class.
Great job, Ruby Blevins.
Zoe Hardin from Miss Williams' class.
Congratulations, Zoe Harding.
Record Jester from Miss Atkinson's class.
Congratulations, Rucker Jester.
Ian Jones from Miss Williams' class.
Congratulations, Ian Jones.
Jackson Lee, Miss Ward.
Good job, Jackson Lee.
Danielle Little, Mrs. Turner.
Congratulations, Danielle Little.
Carol Lewis, Miss Gates.
Congratulations, Kiera Lopez.
Karis Nelson Atkinson.
Good job, Karis Nelson.
Marley Nickham at Miss Marley's class.
Good job, Marley Newcomb.
Caitlin Roy, Miss Ward's class.
Good job, Caitlin Rohr.
Jacob Sadolski, Miss Wilson's class.
Great job, Jacob Sadolski.
Brody Schultz from Miss Marley's class.
Congratulations, Brody Swopes.
Michael from Miss Heath's class.
Congratulations, Michael Tackett.
Faith Yusey from Miss Heath's class.
Good job, Faith UC.
Luke Gandell from Miss Hyatt.
Great job, Luke Yandel.
So now at this time, we're going to recognize the second grade students who are receiving the Outstanding Youth Award. I'm going to hand these over to you, Coach, so that you can hand them to them.
Okay.
And they're going to come between us. Again, all right.
Sophia Bursuto, Miss Grayson.
Good job, Sophia Baserto.
My name is Isabel Boulding, and I'm in Miss Jonas's class.
Congratulations, Isabel Bolding.
My name is Annette Davis, and I'm in Miss Walbrook's class.
Awesome job, Zanette Davis.
My name is Aaliyah Delson, and I'm in Miss Fox's class.
Good job, Aaliyah Delson.
My name is Ollie Foster, and my teacher's name is Miss Wright.
Congratulations, Ollie Foster.
My name's Macy Frazier, and my teacher's L. Williams.
Congratulations, Macy Frazier Gillis.
My name is Zoe Hall, and I'm in Miss Wright's class.
Good job, Zoe Hall.
My name is Roman Hayes, in Miss Walbrook's class.
Congratulations, Roman Hayes.
My name is Brooklyn Holman from Miss Spence's class.
Good job, Brooklyn Holman.
Joshua Holtman from Miss Fox's class.
Way to go, Joshua Holtman.
Georgia Moorhead from Miss Williams' class.
Great job, Georgia Moorhead.
My name is Chris Ogley. I'm from Miss Webster's class.
Congratulations, Christopher Olgan.
My name is Tipper Parman from Miss Grayson's class.
Way to go, Tipper Parman.
My name is Henley Peterman, and I am in Mrs. Nash's class.
Way to go, Henley Peterman.
My name is Rylan Riker, and I'm in Miss Webster's class.
Congratulations, Rylan Reichert.
My name is Hudson Solomon, and I'm in Miss Nash's class.
Congratulations, Hudson Solomon.
My name is Cannon Spinks, and I'm in Miss Jonas's class.
Good job, Cannon Spinks.
I'm Grayson Strotterman, and I'm from Miss Spence's class.
Great job, Grayson Strotterman.
My name's Austin Whale, and I'm from Miss McAllister's class.
Congratulations, Austin Ware.
My name is Brent West, and I'm in Miss Williams' class.
Congratulations, Britt West.